guys, so yesterday the Italians had opportunity to see family Thandeka. Finally, still remember the rumors about Thandeka. She doesn't have a family, guys. It was just two people that came to support Thandeka, guys. There's a chances that we might not see them again. I love this for them, guys. It seems like they don't like social media, guys, and it's a good thing that it was the first time we saw them on social media. Because the one thing about social media, guys, they will drag you, they will drag your parents. We haven't seen is the siblings is like Thandeka just likes to talk about she has a sister and brother, but we haven't seen them. Hopefully we're going to see them, guys. So people are currently busy doing some donation for Thandeka. We know that yesterday she came top 2, guys. So she didn't win the 2 million rand, but you guys have tried. 29%. Come on, guys, let's give you your flowers, guys. You deserve all the good things, guys. At the end of the day, there's only going to be one winner. So it is what it is. Tell me in the conversation what do you think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.